Malinis din pala dito. Ang ganda dito. Dati makalat dito. Ngayon ang linis na. Ang sarap dito mag-camp. See that gradient sky, the horizon sun, the blue sky, the blue sea.
Mom, look at those sparkly sprinkles.
Ang dami ditong spot na pwede kang maglagay ng tent. I think may nag-tent dito. Malinis siya.
There is the camp.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Here. Ooh, you find the spot there. Nice spot. There. Maganda rin pala itong mga pandan sa beach. Basta linisin lang yung ilalim. Ganda pala niya. Oh, there's another spot here. Ang ganda pala dito. Maganda na pala ulit dito. Here's another spot.
I want that spot now.
Here. See?
I'm staying to sleep. I would like to have milk tea with me.
Yeah! Famous cave here. So, pag wala kang tent, ayaw mong mainitan, ayaw mo dun sa may under the mga puno, dito ka na lang sa cave.
Wow!
Ayan ang cave, ang famous cave. There.
Back to the cave. Mom.
At kung gusto mo naman, dito sa mga mabatong vibe, dito ay mabato. Maganda rin magpa-picture dyan. What are you saying, son? Sedimentary rocks? Really? The rocks that you find in the land? Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Power
Basalt?
rock. My rib.
It's like a wall climbing, rock climbing.
Rib.
Ganito yung masarap mag-picture, yung clear yung sky. Hindi yung thick clouds. Sarap mag-picture pag ganito. Yun nga lang, mainit talaga. There.
I want to talk about joy.
Joy. So, for you, what is joy?
Laughing.
Yeah, laughing and it's an emotion you feel deep inside your heart. It's like more than happiness. To be able to feel that joy, you don't need to laugh. You don't need to smile sometimes. But of course, if you're overjoyed, you might be laughing and smiling. But that joy is you feel deep inside your heart, like, oh, I'm so happy, like that. How do you feel that joy? What make you feel joyful?
Loving my friends and family.
Oh, you feel joy when you love your friends and family. What else?
Praying and going to church with mom and dad.
Oh, we do things together as a family, like praying and going to church. What else?
Playing with mom or dad.
Oh,
If they're comfortable to play with me.
yeah.
If they're not comfortable, I can play my own.
Don't worry, my darling. We will always find time to play with you, okay? We play together as a family, and we spend a lot more time together as a family because you told me that that was makes you feel joyful, and I'm so happy, and thank you for telling me that. I love your honesty. I love you, son. I love you.
Love you too.
Where's Adel? Found you! It's almost 12. I want to go back here. Dad, let's go back here. But how about you, son?
No.
Okay. May I want. Let's go.
Then okay.
Sayang, nainom pa naman yan, di ba? Go. Ganito siya katarik. Talagang mataas.
Ow! Bad.
Son, it's not. It's just an accident. Oh, be careful, there's wire.
There is.
Look,
Careful, careful, careful.
Be careful with this. Buti na lang may mga maliliit na puno na pwedeng kapitan. Just like that there. Oh. Just. So, hindi ka madudulas. Kakapit ka lang sa mga puno. But Adel, whose arms are still short, Adel needs assistance. Almost there.
Dad, are we going to another beach?
Next, we are going to Quebrada Beach with that view here. Na beach. Pero dito naman talaga sa Sibal yung mga dagat, usually talagang pababa siya. Bababa ka. Ang dagat. Itong mga yung dahon na to, madulas to. Kaya dahan-dahan. Pwedeng humawak dito sa gilid, kaya lang naka-barbed wire. So either you balance or dito ka na lang sa mga poste-poste hahawak. Unlike kanina sa Tonggo, maraming mga puno pwedeng mahawakan. Yun ang nagsiswimming dito sa Quebrada. Kasi pwedeng tabid dagat lang siya simula bayan hanggang dito. Ayan, pababa na talaga dito. Ay, nandiyan na yung motor. Ang aga ng motor, Dad. Ang ganda ng bahay sana dito pero sira na. Maganda yung spot ng bahay. Going down to the beach. Ito na ang Quebrada Beach. Quebrada Beach. naman sa Quebrada, dito rin, may ganitong spot din dito. Pwedeng tambayan. Hindi ka maiinitan. Shady part. Mga kapamilya.
We're going home now. Next time again.